Welcome to today's tutorial, where I will guide you through all the steps in designing a killer poster. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how designers create eye-catching posters that actually work. By the end of this course, you will know how to research, plan, design, and export high-impact posters that actually grab attention and convert viewers into customers. Let's begin. Part 1. What makes a poster killer? A killer poster is not just about looking good. It must communicate a message clearly, attract attention instantly, and guide the viewer's eyes in the right direction. Every strong poster has 4 core elements: a clear purpose, a strong visual hierarchy, good color and typography choices, and a focused message. Part 2. Poster research and idea building. Research is the most important and most skipped step. First, define the goal of the poster. Ask yourself one question: what action should the viewer take after seeing this poster? This could be buying a product, attending an event, following a brand, or remembering a message. Next, identify the target audience, age group, gender, interests, and platform where the poster will be used. Like a poster for Instagram is very different from a poster for a billboard. Now research inspiration. Search online using keywords related to your poster topic. Observe color schemes, font styles, layout patterns, and image usage. Do not copy. Analyze what works and why it works. Now define a concept. The concept is the main idea behind the design. It can be minimal, bold, luxury, playful, dark, clean, or futuristic. Part 3. Background design. The background sets the mood of your poster. There are 3 main types of backgrounds. Solid color backgrounds. They are clean and modern. Gradient backgrounds. They add depth and emotion. Image or texture backgrounds. They create realism and visual interest. When using colors, follow color psychology like: red creates urgency, blue builds trust, black feels premium, yellow attracts attention, green represents nature and health. Also, never use too many colors. 2 or 3 colors are enough. If using images as backgrounds, always lower its brightness and transparency, or add overlays so text remains readable. Part 4. Using textures like a pro. Textures add depth and richness to your design. For this, search for textures such as paper, grain, noise, fabric, concrete, or abstract patterns. Make sure to use textures subtly and lower the transparency so they don't overpower the design. Textures are best used in luxury posters, vintage designs, or bold branding posters. A small amount of texture can make your poster feel premium and professional. Part 5. Product placement and imagery. Your product or main visual is the hero of the poster. Always place it where the eye naturally goes first, usually the center or slightly off-center. Use high-quality images only. Blurry or pixelated images destroy trust. If available, use background remover apps to isolate products and place them on clean backgrounds. Add soft shadows and reflections to create depth and realism. Do not overcrowd the design. One strong product image is better than multiple weak visuals. Part 6. Typography that sells. Typography is not decoration. Typography is communication. Use no more than 2 fonts, 1 for headings and 1 for body text. Bold fonts work best for headlines, and simple fonts improve readability. Maintain hierarchy. Headline first, subheading second, supporting text last. Spacing matters. Give your text room to breathe. Avoid stretching or squeezing fonts too much, as it can impact readability. Instead, use size and weight to create contrast. Part 7. Layout and composition. Good design guides the viewer's eyes. Use alignment. Center, left, or grid-based layouts always look cleaner. Use visual hierarchy to control attention. Big elements first, small elements last. Use white space intentionally. Empty space is not wasted space. It increases clarity and impact. And most importantly, balance text and visuals so nothing feels heavy on one side. Part 8. Branding elements. If the poster is for a brand, consistency is key. Use brand colors. Use brand fonts. Add logos subtly, usually in a corner. Branding should support the design, not dominate it. A professional poster always feels intentional and consistent. Part 9. Final check and exporting. Before exporting, zoom out and review the poster as a viewer. Check spelling and alignment. Ensure text is readable on small screens. Make sure the message is clear in 3 seconds or less. Now export correctly, and always choose high quality. Finally, always remember that design is not about tools. Design is about thinking, clarity, and intention. Practice regularly. Study great designs. And always design with purpose. Thank you for watching, and comment below what you think is the most important aspect in designing a killer poster.